G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at a lovely home, 19 King Henry Court in the popular Bayside suburb of Torquay. There is a lot to take in, so let's go and take a look around. This home will be ideal for those looking to make the sea change and secure a lovely home base to return to between your nomadic travels in the highly sought after Bayside location of Torquay. Only minutes away from the thriving heart of the Hervey Bay CBD and essential amenities including Stockland Shopping Centre, Pialba Place, hospitals, schools, TAFE, university, golf course, esplanade and the beach. Astute investors will also note the location, and with interest rates at record lows and rental vacancy rates as tight as we've ever seen them across Hervey Bay, there has never been a better time to invest in our local property market. This sound brick and tile home was completed in 1995 and is positioned on an elevated 662 square metre allotment in a quiet court with a parkland reserve across the street. Upon entering this well-maintained home, you will notice the open, light-filled design and are immediately greeted by that large lounge room. This is where you'll enjoy your favourite television series or the latest movies. Continuing into the home, you enter the vast open-plan kitchen and dining area, which really does form the heart of this home. The kitchen features loads of bench and storage space, plus a pantry and breakfast bar, making it ideal for entertaining and preparing meals for both everyday and those special occasions. Appliances include a 4-burner electric hot plate with range hood, an oven and a dishwasher. This home utilises its space perfectly, with the vast open plan indoor dining and living area seamlessly connecting with that fantastic covered al fresco outdoor entertaining area. This is where you will take advantage and enjoy Hervey Bay's year-round subtropical temperate climate, the ideal space for relaxing at the end of each day. Staying cool over those warmer summer months is as simple as turning on the reverse cycle split system air conditioning, which flows across the main living and dining space. This home does include 4 spacious bedrooms, all with built-in wardrobes, and 2 also include ceiling fans. The spacious main bedroom includes a large built-in wardrobe and ensuite with a shower, vanity and toilet. The large guest bedroom also offers direct access outside to the alfresco outdoor entertaining area. The bathroom includes a bath and shower plus vanity, and there is a separate toilet. The laundry offers direct access outside to the clothesline. Those looking to accommodate a number of vehicles will appreciate the single garage with remote roller door and covered access into the home via the outdoor entertaining area. There is also clear side access and space to accommodate RVs, caravans and boats. Plus, there is a double bay shed with power and water connected, as well as a separate toilet to the rear. You also have a garden shed to house all your garden utensils for the beautiful, established, low-maintenance gardens which flow across this property. The owner has committed to selling this lovely home and he's looking for an immediate sale. So here's your opportunity. Call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.